Welcome back everyone. You may be in a position where your PlayStation 4 controller is just not charging for some reason. Now this can happen for a couple of different reasons like I mentioned before. So the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure that the controller that you're using is fully functional or it was fully functional before. To test this, you want to take that micro USB cord that you had that you would charge your controller usually, and you want to try plugging it into a different port on your PlayStation 4 or plug it into an actual charging port on your specific console or into an outlet or something. In my experience, this is by far one of the most important ways to test if a controller is actually the problem or if it's maybe something else. Maybe it was the port on the PS4, maybe it was a different charging block. By doing that, you're going to be setting yourself up in a position where you can easily tell whether it was a PlayStation 4 controller or not. If your controller boots up and it's fine now, then that's really all you had to do. There really wasn't anything else beyond it. However, if your controller still doesn't turn on, the next thing I'd recommend doing is to actually find another power cord. So find another micro USB cord that you may have lying around or go purchase another one, and then you want to try charging up that controller again. If it still doesn't charge up, you may actually have a broken controller in some form or fashion. If you have another device that takes micro USB cord, what I'd recommend doing is to try plugging that into the cord as well in that specific port. And if it still doesn't power on that specific device, then you may actually have a broken cord and you may have to get another one that works. But if it works on that one and it doesn't work on your PS4 controller, well then you may have to go ahead and look inside of that PlayStation 4 controller port and see if there's any damage done. If there's nothing that you can see, it may be fried, or maybe the controller just dropped and maybe it doesn't work anymore, and maybe you're going to have to go and get that fixed. Or if you do see a bunch of dust and stuff stuck in there, you may want to grab a cotton swab or a small toothpick or something and kind of pry those things out. Sometimes that's what I had to do back in the day, and it still may be the issue for some of you as well. So those are some of the things you can do to pretty much fix this issue. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.